Alrighty, everybody, it's Michael Alder here from the landflippingformula.com covering some more land investing questions that had came in. And this question is, can investing in raw, undeveloped land actually make you rich? And the answer is yes, there's a number of different ways that you could profit from raw land. Now, a lot of people would see a property like this with nothing in the area and figure it has zero value to it. But the reality is you could turn this into cash in a number of different ways. And we can get into those strategies in a minute. But before we do that, I want to share with you a few people that are big hitters in the marketplace. And this is just a tiny little insight on who's actually making money in this business. There's actually dozens of people killing it, but these are people that I am familiar with and that I can go ahead and say, yeah, I have for sure seen they are hitting mega numbers in this industry. So the first one here is Land Central. Land Central is a big hitter in the land investing space. They have larger parcels. They'll sell or finance you. So they have access to a lot of property, a lot of cash, and can turn a lot of deals. So Land Central, without a doubt, is somebody that is making millions of dollars in this business or getting rich, as the question came in. The next one, Rural Vacant Land. I've personally done deals with them. Great company, big wholesale operation, have fantastic deals. The trick with them is just learn their inventory that they're holding in your area, watch the numbers, and when they drop, make the purchases. Everything's on the up and up. Always had a good experience with them, good response time, and they are moving enough deals to say that, yeah, raw land will make you rich. The next one is tapping into the business from a couple different angles. Jack Butella and Jill DeWitt, I'm on Landpin. That is a site that they actually own. So they're covering the media side of it and the marketing side, as well as actually doing the deals. So they've done over $20 million in deals over their career. But on top of it, they have a lot of softwares that they profit from. And the softwares are all good too. They have Parcel Fact, which is a tremendous tool I recommend checking out. And then Landpin is just a marketing website where you can go ahead and post your deals, and they turn a profit from that as well. So they are indeed getting rich from the land investing business. The next one, Mr. Mark Podolsky at Frontier Properties USA. Mark's a great dude. He's the one that actually switched me from residential real estate investing to land investing. And I've done deals with him. Once again, great person to do business with. He's doing volume deals as well as bigger deals. So he is indeed getting rich in this business as well. Next one. This is like the underground giant here. Land Century. I've done a lot of business with Land Century. They're moving thousands of deals, both residential and land. They may even be in on commercial. I don't know for sure because I've never done business with them like that. But here's some of their most popular categories as they have listed on their site. Here's what you want to focus on right here. I love stuff like this. Land deals under $1,000. You could snatch those up and profit from those in a number of different ways. See if we can get into this right now. Just to give you an idea, they have a lot in Arkansas here. Even these little tiny properties you could pick up for $250. I'll show you in future videos how you could turn that $250 into $500 really easy. The next one we're going to jump into here. Now, I have never done business with them, but they are all over the big sites. So I'm going to assume they are getting rich in this business because I see them everywhere. It's 1881.com investments. And if you look at the site, super simple, easy to navigate, nothing flashy. But from what I've seen, they have a lot of property. So I would bet they're getting rich in the land investing business as well. So this is the only person that I've never had direct contact with or done a deal with or had a mutual friend doing business with them. But like I said, I've seen them on all the platforms for a number of years. So they've got to be hitting some numbers in this industry. And there's dozens of others. I just wanted to give you facts on people I've actually dealt with or have seen around the scene. And I know that they're actually hitting numbers in the industry. So real quick, I'm going to share a strategy with you that you can use to turn profit from. And while we get into this strategy, if you are interested in buying and selling raw land for profits, be sure to check out the landflippingformula.com. There will be a link for it in the description. Completely free audio sharing how to buy and sell land and turn it into cash flow. So let's go ahead and check out this little tiny sliver of a property in, I don't know, Saloma Springs, Arkansas. I know I butchered that name, but let's dive into that. Only $250. Ooh, they got the $299 processing fee. So it's actually a $550 property. I know we could find better deals than that, but let's just say we pick this up for $550 and we want to turn it into $750. All I would do is copy this listing. I would make the purchase, copy the listing, and then I would relist it on Craigslist, 25 down, 25 a month for 48 months. And I would have that investment grow into, that actually grows into about 1,200. So that is just a real basic, simple strategy I would use. If that particular processing fee wasn't on this, and you can get deals without those on that and still buy land for, $250 to $500 out the door, then I would just lower my finance amount, not the dollar amount, but the term. So if we bought this for $250, I would do 25 down, 25 a month for like 24 months. And that's how you would go ahead and make a really nice return on your money. Now, if you're interested in learning more step-by-step how to do that, like I said, go to the landflippingformula.com, link in the description. And if you have any other questions about the land investing business, be sure to comment below. I will create a video answering it for you. Thank you so much for tuning in, and I'll see you on the next video.